This question has been posed up to me by on various platforms. What is better, CA or CFA? And honestly, I had no clue why this question was getting asked until I watched some of the very intellectual people who I thought would be committed to any of these programs. I quit. If you are in a situation where you want to choose any of these programs, really answer a very simple question. Let's leave all the details apart. If a customer is approaching you, what kind of a question do you want him to ask you? Do you want him to ask whether I can file my taxes and this section? How do I change my profit percentage share? Or do you want to answer how do we reduce the risk of this portfolio? Or maybe let's say, are there any new avenues to invest? If you are ready to answer the second part of the questions, then probably CFA is the content that you might. And if you are more interested in process related questions, CA is probably more suitable for you.